Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating the obvious hardware causes. Check battery power first. Low charge often causes intermittent freezes. Once done, move the receiver to a different USB port, preferably a rear port on a desktop, or repair Bluetooth. Make sure to test the mouse on another computer to determine whether the issue is local. This immediately splits the problem into hardware versus software, so you know whether to keep digging into drivers or swap the mouse out. Now you focus on the system layer where most freezes hide. Open Device Manager and update or uninstall, then reinstall the mouse and USB controllers to remove corrupted drivers. Next, disable power saving for USB root hubs and the HID-compliant mouse so Windows won't sleep the device. If your mouse has vendor software, set polling rate and DPI to stable defaults. Higher polling rates can expose problems. Once complete, reboot to apply driver changes and verify behavior under normal use. Finish by ruling out software conflicts and failing hardware. Disable overlays, macro tools, or virtualization USB pass-through and perform a clean boot to see if freezes disappear. This isolates offending apps. If the problem remains after drivers and a clean boot, swap the wireless dongle or try a wired connection. If freezes persist even on another PC, replace the mouse. One key troubleshooting tip: if behavior is intermittent, run a timed stress test while recording timestamps to correlate freezes with specific actions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.